Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a new kit to build, my first Tamiya. Looks like it's going to be a cool car once I'm done. I got the bearings for it because I plan on running it. So fast eddy bearings for it. So I'm eventually probably going to do maybe a video on it. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I've never built one of these, so I might do a build video. I'll probably start one and see how it goes and then go from there. So that, and then I got a bunch of sticker shout outs. Or not a bunch, but a few. 316 RC. He built some cool stuff, man. Yeah. He builds some nice stuff. You need to check his channel out. Go check his channel out. He's does a lot of what do you call it? I watched him build a semi. I watched him build now he's building a gas powered big old monster, so it's just kind of cool to watch. And then Papa Chone's barbecue, buddy from work, out of Soledad, California. If you guys ever down in the area, check them out. And then Linden Rc 215, great channel too. Go check him out. He's got some nice cars, rips them around. And John Robinson RC, go check him out. He does a lot of WL toys, a lot of how-to stuff, a lot of comparison stuff for all the cars that he has. So he'll compare tires to each other, how to not make them balloon. So good channel, good channel. I also just won a car from his channel that he's sending out to me, which he's from I believe he's from the UK area somewhere, so across the pond. He so that might take a while to get here. So there's those shout outs, and then which I'm gonna put all these on my sticker wall, my sticker board over here. And then a shout out to Bobby's RCs. I went on his giveaway too, so and this is from Super Clean, which I did a giveaway myself recently, but this was supposed to have some wheel cleaner that I wanted to try out the wheel cleaner because I didn't get that. So, and then another bottle of this degreaser, which this stuff works awesome, guys. If you've never used it before, eats the grease right out. So I won that from Bobby, and Bobby's RCs. Go check his channel out. I already got his sticker on my board, so that was cool of him. So go check out their channels, guys, and stay tuned for a build video, and then I'll be posting a couple little videos here and there. I've been feeling a little under the weather, so but thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a good day.